All right, so yeah, so we got the Tai Piin model TPR1230 4-foot 13 radial arm drilling machine. All right, Rod.
You want to just go right in and fire it up then?
Or we can walk around it. Let's do a walk around.
Do a tag? You want to do this? Do a walk around then maybe? Sure. Let them see the machine, then we'll come back up front. Serial number 9958. Manufacturing date 1988.5. Standard column. Adjuster for the column clamp. Coolant system damaged during shipping. Main electrical box, lubrication system. A couple adjustments up in here. Your clamping mechanism, 2 motors, all up in there. Lower pedestal, watch the cord behind you. Electrical box, come on over here. Counterbalance going from the top down. Over travel switch.
Wait, let's start up here.
Yeah, over travel switch. Counterbalance. Electrical panel. I believe this is a light switch. We don't have the light on right now. Of course, the panel.
I got that.
Okay. Lower pedestal, of course. That's what I was saying.
Let's go over the condition of the arm and column.
Well, sure, it'd be front side. You can see better than rear, of course. It's in good shape. In fact, if I power it up, you can probably, I'll do that right off then, elevation-wise. It's in good shape. There's no scoring. If we open up the clamp, get this down here, Pete. There's your clamp up on plus.
Okay.
That's clamp. And here we're going to do it a couple times. Unclamp. Again, clamp. That's that arm right back there. That's turning with it, if you can see it. That's full open. Right now, if you pull back a little bit, we can move the radial arm up here. The whole arm can move. And that also permits elevation. Then we can check out the column a little bit.
All right, go ahead.
So we're unclamped, arm moving, motorized elevation, of course. I checked the limits, upper and lower limit, both work, the over travel limits, that's raised. Of course, a lot more load on raised than lowering, so that sounds pretty good for going up. Down. Get it down a little bit here. That's about it for up and down, that works fine. Clamp up seems to work good because if I clamp it here, while I'm turning it, it's rock solid. So if I clamp this up, I mean, it's got a good solid clamp on there, nothing's moving. So again, when you clamp column, you clamp cross arm, and you clamp the head because we can't move this either. If I relax it again, we've got column head movement, which works really well. So again, if I fix it, solid. There's our head movement. You get a pretty good shot of the condition of the waist.
Yeah, let me come in and get the waist.
Yeah, come on and get all this. The rack looks pretty good, huh? Let's do a whole, I'll hold it still. It wants to float away on us. Nice, come over here. This all looks pretty good.
Okay.
Same with the column.
And the column.
Right column close up maybe.
Yeah, just to show that it's free from any type of scarring.
There's no scoring, right? Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lock it up. There you go.
And that's just grease that we see on the column.
Yeah,
that's
all
not
this gets greased.
wear.
Oil cups, grease fittings throughout the machine, sure. Standard stuff.
All right, let's run it.
The rest is up in the head here. Come over on this side. Switching gears. I don't know what speed I'm on. I can just go through them though. It has 6 speeds times 2, which is high-low on the motor. We'll go through a few of them right now. We're in the high range, and I'll flip it over to low range. So just 1 speed right now. I can raise it up a little bit if you want, Pete. You see down here?
Drop it down. That might be better, actually.
Up or down?
Down.
Okay. Here's Here's our manual feed right here, of course. It's getting away from me. There we go.
Why
Is that a little bit better?
don't you clamp it?
I'm going to, as soon as we get it straight and get it up. And spindle speed, right now I'm not sure what number we're at, maybe about 398. Here's forward, here's reverse right away. We've got 3 that we go into here. That's not one of them. Next one down. And there's one more in the speed here. And reverse again. And then we range. Make sure we're in. There we go. A little bit slower. I think we got it. Yep. I think we got one more there. That was it. Pull over. One. 2. There it is. That's what we missed. And then we've got low range. I need a wrench for this one. Need to turn that over into low range, and we get all the slower speeds. Oh, I want to show you feed though anyhow. It'd be nice if I had my tools here, but I don't. So, spindle on at a higher speed. And feed. I don't have a rag either. That's what I need.
Right behind you.
I'll go a little bit faster here. Get the feed going. Let's see what we get. First feed. Kick out at 0. 0. Yeah. 0. This is to change the setting wherever we want it. Put that here, see that button there, and then lock it, and moves. And this is our kick out point right here. Right there, sorry. And for the sake of it, this is coolant. We got the relay coming in, but I'm not connected right now, so that works. Overload works, and I need a wrench for this right here that I could. You got something there? Yeah, fine. Thank you. This will get us into low ranges or high. Let's see. That'll be high. Let's see what we get now. That's high range. We burn low. That's 1500. Reverse, same speed. Let's go one down, maybe. I think we got it. Same speed. The range, try to range one more time. Right there. See what we get. A little bit slower. So that's that. With the feed, slow feed, same thing. Slow feed, we'll kick out in a second here. That's it. And this is the, I don't know if you got it before, relaxing clamp. It's these 2 buttons here.
All right.
Yeah. So these are the range, high, low, pilot light that we don't have. And that's pretty much it. Coolant comes through here, the valving, it's all here.
All right.
That's
That's a wrap.
Yep.